Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the harmonic scenario for intraday purposes for ES for Thursday, January 21st. Okay, let's point out what's going on here. A, a Scion bullish, well, I colored it Scion, bullish crab has been in retracement mode, right? It breached the ideal target of 1813.25 just a tad, but the what's important is once it held back above the 1813.25, the inclination was it was going to go into retracement mode, and it has. It's retraced a little over 61.8%. So it's setting up for a new harmonic rotation, and so how much price pulls back is going to be key. Harmonically speaking, I'd like to see at least test 1844.50. I am going to expand this a little bit so you can see it better. So ideally, want to see it pull back to at least 1844.50. This is one of two things. It sets up for this brown triangle for an emerging Gartley, and it also validates this new bullish cross, right? So it can pull all the way down here to 1804.25 double bottom, and this Gartley scenario still be in play. But once price is able to take out 1804.25 to the downside, then I'm going to be looking for these brown ABCD targets. So first things first, it's currently inside a golden ratio zone. I want to see it break out of there. If it breaks to the upside, ideally after it has tested 1844.50, then I'm going to be looking for that 1885.50. Right now, this is still forming the triangle midpoint, okay? Because it hasn't pulled back enough to make this a valid harmonic triangle, okay? So this is what we're looking for. Now, volume profile wise, let me just add, when this comes back and tests this 1844.50, if that's going to be the scenario, keep an eye on momentum testing its midpoint, and it's going to be one thing if it breaches. Now there's another golden ratio zone here. So this is a double golden ratio zone region at this 1844 area, but like to see it test that 44.50. Okay. Volume profile wise, price was in a 2-day range. It broke down below it, tried to get back inside that range, but we're kind of holding below it at the 1858 area, that yellow zone. So this was an expansion day. We had a couple of days that were contraction, and that's typical of holiday time. But what we're looking for now is if price holds below this 1858, there's potential chop down to the 1840 to 1835.25 area. And it's really not until price can take out that 1804.25, like on the harmonic chart, to seek those downside ABCD targets. But on here, unless it can take out the 1804.25, it could just be building cause in this region. Now, if price is able to push and hold back above 1858, there is the next yellow zone. Each one of these zones I find of importance, and so each one of these zones that price can hold above it increases the probability of testing the next zone. Okie doke.